This is Brian. Don't be like Brian. Brian doesn't realize that he is contributing to the $62 million of change being thrown away each year. Silly Brian. At ReImagine, we want to rethink the way car organization is done while saving loose change from being lost or thrown away. We have developed a product that does just that. Our car organizer and coin collector is available in frost and blue and may be purchased for $10. If you're interested in learning more, please visit us at www.reimagineja.com.